In this video, I'm going to create an entire YouTube channel by using just AI. From the visuals to the text, I plan on letting AI do all of the heavy lifting. And let's find out if it can actually provide some good results. First, I of course need to create a new YouTube channel. So I'm gonna create it. So we have created the channel, but first we need to decide what the channel is going to be about. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to give me 50 YouTube channel niches. Look at all those niches. I kinda like the philosophy niche, so let's go with that. To get started, we're gonna need a channel name. So I'm just going to ask it to give me 50 names that have not yet been taken. And it's now giving me all kinds of different names that I can choose from. Oh, by the way, to make sure that your name is unique, search it up in Google and just look if there are businesses that have the same name. As well as go to YouTube, click on filters and then filter by channel, so you can see how many channels already have that name or if there even are any. Then the third tip is to go to a domain search and search in the name there to see whether the domain is already taken. This is just convenient in case you're ever going to sell something on that YouTube channel. But I'm not gonna go too deep into that in this video, but if you are interested in saving a lot of money when buying a domain, then I will link a video somewhere above or below so you can check that out after this video. I kinda like the philosopher's pulse. So now we have our name, but of course we're not finished there, because right now we're gonna need a profile picture. Now for that I'm gonna use Lexica, which you can use to create all kinds of images. So I had some fun with this earlier and apparently this is me. I mean, I wish I could grow a mustache like that. And can somebody please explain why I'm a bird? So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write me a prompt to create a profile picture. So I'm just going to copy this and go to Lexica. Oh, if you're trying this, make sure that you have the right dimensions for a profile picture. Ooh, I kinda like this one, you know. Or maybe this one because it's a bit more personal. I think for now I'm gonna choose this one. But with a profile picture, our YouTube channel is not yet finished because we're gonna need a banner. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a prompt to create a background image that fits the channel. So again, I'm just going to copy this and let Lexica do its magic. Oops. And I just messed up because you need to do this in the right dimensions. Like right now it's in landscape, so we can put it as the background for our banner. So I'm just going to generate it again. You want to make sure, by the way, that you are asking for a background image and not a banner background, because otherwise you're going to get stuff like this and with text and everything. I kinda like this background, so I'm just going to copy this and then I'm gonna go to Canva. So if you want to do this yourself, you can just create your free account. And I'm just going to create a YouTube banner. I'm just gonna use a template and then backspace on the background, and I'm just going to copy the image right here. Then for this image I'm just going to use the profile picture, and of course I'm going to put the name right here. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a subscribe caption that we can put on the banner. This is a little bit long, so let's make it a little bit shorter. I kinda like this one. And if you're wondering why it says Aristo right there, let's find out. So I'm now going to ask ChatGPT to write me a bio for the channel so people know what the channel is about. So it's a short bio about an ancient person named Aristo. I've just made him up. I am Aristo, a timeless seeker of truth and wisdom. As an ancient soul traversing the depths of time, I bring forth the ancient teachings of Stoicism, life and philosophy. With each video I unravel the enigmatic threads of existence, guiding you on a transformative journey. I mean, I can't even pronounce it, so it must be good. So by using AI, we went from this to this within no time. And this is not even everything, because one of the most difficult things is to find your target audience. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me the target audience for the philosopher's pulse, and it's now giving me all kinds of people that might be interested in the content that I can create. Now all that's left to do is to create content, and if you want to see how I created 300 YouTube shorts within just 30 minutes, then you can go ahead and watch the video right here. But for now, have a great day.